guys, so we are back in Tesco's. We're just having a look what's here. Little peep at the pink slips again. We've got a couple of Jeep Wranglers there. We've got the Jag. We've got the Bugatti. We've got the Challenger. We've got that Merc, which is awesome looking. We've got another Jag and the Porsche. So no G-Wagon there today, which is grand. Look in the Monster Jams. Grease Trap set. So I think we're not really expecting to pick anything up here, I would say, as we have picked up a couple of chases here recently. So we'll just have a little go and see what they got. The Zombie. So no, not looking like a chase here today. Still looking for that slicer. That's okay. Nothing hiding in behind the doubles. No, all doubles. No good to us. Anything else exciting looking here? See, we've got that Nissan set, which we have a couple of. That's still sitting here. I think we've still got skateboards. They look pretty messy. Any see-through wheels for us today? No, we've got a Star Wars, which is pretty beaten up. I'll just put a bit of order back on these things. See if we can't entice some people to buy these ones so we can come back and get a treasure hunt. It's funny, you know, this thing is eluding me, so it makes me want it more. It's not the fact I really want to treasure hunt one of these, but I really want to treasure hunt one of these. So, quick peep back through there. No see-through boards for us, unfortunately. Okay, so we have done our best to half straighten these up. I guess they're a bit better than how we found them, so at least that's done, eh? No treasure hunt there. This is what's left in the Hot Wheels. I'm gonna say there's nothing in here, eh? The rocking railer from an old case. Look at that. So an even older rocking railer sitting here, and absolutely nothing else in there, which means they should have a new box coming out soon. A couple of Matchbox. Nothing crazy in here. No. You can see they've got all the metal machines here. It's actually pretty cool. Our metal machines stepping up their game. They have a few bits here. They're obviously stepping up the game a little bit. Nah, not really for us. I wonder, is that like a chase or something? Maybe. We'll have to check that out. But anyway, we'll leave it there. Someone else will find it. Okay, that's about it. We have a couple of the 5-packs. Metal machines as well. 5-pack here. A couple of the Disney cars. There he is, the man himself, Lightning McQueen. And guys, that is it. A couple of, are these RC? Yeah, a couple of RC bits. And that is it. Yeah, don't see any of the micro minis here. They must have gone. Okay, so that's it. A couple of the Fast and Furious here. We've seen these before. We're not after any of these ones. Got Dom's Impala, the Mustang, and the Camaro. Okay, cool. That's us. That's where we will leave it here. Let's try the next spot. Just as we were leaving, I did spot this. I think it is so cool. Monster Jam Batman truck. It is pretty cool looking. I love the Batman stuff. But no, it's not coming with me. A bit big for my collection. Here you go. That's what you're looking at. And you've got the Batman. It's cool. I've seen it in Smith's as well. Actually, Max or Seb picked it up, showed it to me. But yeah, cool. Okay, guys, moving on. See you in the next spot. So we've got the fire brigade coming. Lots of action around here today. No Hot Wheels, but plenty of action. Look at this. So I think some woman has locked her kid in the car and left the keys in the boot. So these guys are coming to save the day. That's what's happening there. So we have fire engine number 2 on the scene. Yeah, so all good here. They smashed the window, they got into the car, and they got the keys. So everyone's safe and sound here. There goes the boys. Well done, lads. Everyone's safe and sound, baby in hand. Go. Here we go, guys. We are back in another Tesco's, and we are having a little go at what is here. We see loads of pink slips. Loads of pink slips. We see 5-packs. We see more metal machines. We see some Monster Jam. And we see some Hot Wheels underground, which is never good. I reckon that means someone's been through it. And by the looks of these Monster Jam, they've been through these too. What are we looking for here? The Wasabi, which we have. And there's the chase. Look at that. Another Monster Jam chase. That's a good start. We'll leave that there. Fortunately, it's not the one we were looking for, but we will bring it and try and trade it for another one. Nissan set. Yeah. Another chase. So that's coming with us. And let's have a little look here at these pink slips. There's your Mercedes G-Wagon again. So another one of the G-Wagons found. I'm not sure if anyone has any interest in this. I might pick it up just to have a second one there, so if anyone is on the lookout, we might have one there. What else is in it, just for interest's sake? Let's have a little peep. The R8, the Merc, the Land Rover, the Wrangler, the Charger. It's the R8 again, the Porsche, the Bugatti, the Porsche, and the Jag. So yeah, not bad. We've pulled another G-Wagon, and we've pulled another Wasabi Chase. So I don't think we can complain about that. Nice work, guys. Have it already, and we have it already, but we might bring them. See, can we work a little trade on the two of them? Just a little peeping through the Hot Wheels here as well. We've been going through them. Let's see, we have the Barbie, the new one. We might take that with us. Max Steel, Rock and Railer, Ah, there's the two rock and railers together. They will be here for a long time. Ah, someone has been through these without doubt. There's what you've got on the ground. So, well, not a whole pile. But that's okay. We will run with our Wasabi and our Mercedes. And we'll bring Barbie for the drive. Cool, guys. Nice. Yep, so there we have it. G-Wagon, Wasabi and Barbie. Nice. That's it, guys. That is the hunt for today. Thank you very much for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Hit that little bell. See you on the next hunt. Bye-bye.